So the class strength is 75. हाँ जी अनुज.
Excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ सौरभ.
Ma'am, a student Satvik Vajpayee is not able to join the class, ma'am. Ma'am, I did
Just
ask ma'am several times, ma'am.
okay. So ask him to give his email ID. You take his email
Oh,
ID and paste here in the Google Meet chat.
okay, ma'am, I'm doing so.
हाँ. Ask him to send me the email ID. Type his email ID or paste his email ID in the chat. Meet chat.
Ma'am, I've sent the email ID on the meet chat.
Okay. Okay. I will send. I'm sending him the invite. You ask him to join through that chat. Through that invite. I'm just sending him the invite. He must tell him that he must have received an email for an invite to join this class. Just tell him that.
Okay, ma'am, okay, ma'am.
So, this is our first class and probably your first class in DTU, I guess, right? Apart from orientation, this is your first class. Is that so?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So I hope you are, DTU have been introduced to you, right? And I
Yes,
hope
ma'am.
you will have a good time in DTU
Yes, ma'am. We
and
will.
you will enjoy.
No,
Hanji,
ma'am.
Your voice is not clear.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
my voice is not
Yes, ma'am.
clear.
No, ma'am. You
Okay,
are
just
audible. Ma'am, you are audible.
Ma'am, you are audible, ma'am.
I mean I am audible. That is fine. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, you
Yes,
are
it is,
Yes,
audible,
ma'am.
but
yes.
your voice is not clear.
It's clear.
So maybe the issue maybe with the student. मतलब आपके एंड पे हो सकता है कि नेटवर्क कनेक्टिविटी ज्यादा अच्छी ना हो इसलिए आवाज डिस्टॉर्ट होके आ रही हो.
नहीं, आवाज ठीक आ रहा है, आवाज ठीक आ रहा है।
ओके. चलिए फिर. तो इसीलिए मैंने अपना वीडियो भी ऑफ किया हुआ है. कई बार वीडियो होने की वजह से कई बार फिर वो होता है कि आवाज ठीक से नहीं जाती है इसीलिए वीडियो को ऑफ किया हुआ है. So we are not going to do any mischief during the class. We are not going to have breakfast or anything like that during the class. We can have that before the class or after the class. You are given all the breaks, all the ample breaks before the class or after the class, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Agreed.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what we are going to study, what is this class for?
Mathematics.
Mathematics.
Okay,
Mathematics.
Mathematics.
Math.
Mathematics.
okay. Just a minute. I'll be back in a couple of minutes. Just a minute. My system is low on charge. I just get back with my charger.
No issues, ma'am.
So yes, so what we are going to do is we are going to study maths in this class. So it is your engineering maths that we are going to study in this particular class. So engineering maths, there are two parts of engineering maths, MA 101 and MA 102. Okay? In MA 101, we are going to study the real analysis. Calculus, sorry, not the real analysis and the calculus for मतलब जो calculus आपने पढ़ा है differentiation integration that we are going to study in one variable, two variable और multiple variables. आपने शायद differentiation या integration maximum एक या दो variables में किया होगा, we are going एक ही variable में किया होगा, I think so, आपने 12th में, right? So we are going to study, we are going to extend that concept and study that with respect to multiple variables. This is what we are going to. I have given you a very broad overview of this particular syllabus. मतलब जो हम पढ़ेंगे उसका मैंने बहुत broad overview दिया है कि what we are going to study in MA 102 MA 101. I'll just share the syllabus also with you. I'll just share a slide wherein you can see the syllabus of MA 101. Is this your first time that you are attending classes through Google Meet, or you attended your classes?
No, ma'am, it's the first time.
Ma'am, first class.
No, ma'am. It's our first time.
No, ma'am, it's our first time.
School में? How did you do in school?
Ma'am, we had offline classes.
Then no.
Ma'am, offline classes.
और offline के बाद COVID आ गया, right?
Yes, ma'am.
I haven't
Yes,
attended
ma'am.
school in 1 year, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So no issues. We will cope up with this. अगर किसी को कोई issue है classes में, तो you please let me know. किसी को अगर join करने में issue है या कोई भी issue है, तो please let me know. I can see you all at the same time on my screen. ठीक है? तो you all are visible to me. So I hope now you can see my screen. My screen is visible to you.
Yes, ma'am.
So in this, you can see the syllabus of MA 101. Okay, in this particular, your contact hours with me are 3 lecture hours and 1 tutorial hour. But we are going to do lectures only in the tutorial also. Simultaneously, tutorials are, please keep, जिसका mic unmute है, please mute yourself. Thank you. So, although you have 3 lecture hours and 1 tutorial, the tutorial is basically for whatever we have studied in theory in lectures. Tutorials are for the respective questions. But my basic practice is कि I do questions side by side. मतलब जो हम theory में पढ़ रहे हैं, जो हम concepts पढ़ रहे हैं, उनके questions हम side by side करेंगे. So your tutorial is also like a lecture only. So basically your 4 contact hours and all the 4 contact hours are your lectures. Apart from this, there are 3 components for your assessment. The 3 components are your CWS, midterm assessment and the final exam assessment. Okay, please mute yourself, बच्चे. Mute yourself. So we are going to, there are 3 components in your there are three components: class assessment, midterm assessment, and the end term assessment. So as per the guidelines of assessment in DTU for COVID period, it is that there are going to be 3 monthly tests. For the end term assessment, there are going to be 3 monthly tests and 2 surprise tests. One best surprise test will be taken for the marks calculation, and 2 class monthly tests will be taken for your end term assessment. So your end term assessment will be composed of 2 monthly tests and 1 surprise test. Apart from that, we are going to do a midterm evaluation. We are going to see how the midterm evaluation is going to be done. That I will consult with other teachers and let you know how the midterm evaluation in case of MA 101 is going to happen. Apart from that, your for class assessment, there are going to be 6 or 7 assignments from the entire syllabus. This is your entire syllabus. There are 6 units. So there's going to be 1 assignment from each unit. Unit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You're going to have 6 assignments from each unit. Okay? And there are going to be couple of class tests from each of these unit. Couple of class tests from these units. I can combine 2 units. I can combine 3 units. Whichever the way I would like, I can take the exam. It can be just like surprise test. Just like surprise test, it can also be just like surprise test, the class test for the CWS assessment, it is also going to be a surprise. I can take at any point in time in the class. Is that okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
So have you discussed with your seniors about the syllabus की how to follow, how to do, और कौन सी book recommended होती है, कैसे पढ़ना चाहिए? Have you discussed with your seniors?
Not yet,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
we haven't got the opportunity
Not
to
yet.
crack
Yes.
it.
Okay, you haven't got the opportunity. Okay, no issues. So this is the syllabus and these are the recommended books. These are the suggested books by the department for engineering maths. So these are some of the books. I suggest that you, since library is not operational, okay, so I suggest to buy a book because this book is going to help you. Either you can take this book from your seniors, any one of these books. I'm not saying you buy all the books. You can take any one book from either you can buy Advanced Engineering Mathematics by Professor H.C. Taneja, or you can buy Advanced Engineering Mathematics by Jay. Sorry? You can buy any of these, any one book by any one of these.
Books? And which of these?
You can buy any one. All the books have almost same content. Serial number 1, 2, or 3. I suggest any one book from first, second, third. You can buy any one book because this book is going to help you in your entire first year.
Ma'am, I have Thomas Finney. Would that do as well? Or should I buy one of the first 3?
But that should be calculus and analytic geometry. I think there are various variations of Thomas and Finney. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Just get the title of the book.
Yes, ma'am. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. So you can buy any one of this book so that you have a book to refer to and you can practice the questions as well from the book. That is the only way. Because obviously I'll be giving you notes from the book or concepts. I'll be explaining you everything, but it is always better to have a book with you. And this book is going to help you in your second semester as well. The same book is going to be followed for your second semester. Okay? Or you can take a
Ma'am,
book.
can you repeat the name of book?
Sorry?
Can you repeat the name of books?
See, I have shared the screen. I guess you can see my screen, and I have shared the names of the books. So first book.
Showing.
Sorry?
It's not showing.
Are you not able to see my screen?
Ma'am, we can see the screen.
No, ma'am.
It's
So
visible,
the one,
ma'am.
ma'am.
the one who is not able to see, please pin my screen. Pin.
Oh,
I hope now you would be able to. आप स्क्रीन को पिन करेंगे तो आप देख पाएंगे, राइट? तो
Yes, ma'am.
आप इन
I
तीनों
got
में
it.
से सीरियल नंबर 1, 2, 3 आप इनमें से कोई भी एक बुक ले सकते हैं. आई रिकमेंड सेकेंड या थर्ड में से, जस्ट बिकॉज ये इंडियन ऑथर्स हैं, तो इनको अंडरस्टैंड करना थोड़ा सा इजी होता है हमारे लिए, और इंडियन स्टैंडर्ड्स के अकॉर्डिंग ये बुक्स लिखी गई हैं. तो आप इन दोनों में से सेकंड थर्ड में से कोई भी एक रेफर कर सकते हैं. ये बुक्स आपके सीनियर्स के पास भी मिल जाएंगी, कंटेंट में कोई चेंज नहीं है, तो आप इनमें से कोई भी बुक अपने सीनियर से भी ले सकते हैं, ठीक है? एंड दीज बुक्स विल बी फॉलोड फॉर योर नेक्स्ट सेमेस्टर एज वेल फॉर MA 102. तो आपको तब भी कोई इशू नहीं आएगा. फाइन. और this is the syllabus. We are going to start with infinite series, and how we are going to do, I will share my screen, and we will have some kind of writing as well. I'll keep giving you questions as well, how to solve the questions, and I will share my screen for the notes, so that you can so that I would not have to dictate you every time, and you can have the notes from me. Is that fine? So first we are going to start
Yes,
with the
ma'am.
infinite series. I'll start with the lectures. I don't want to be the first one in your semester to start with the theory class. So it's early in morning and having a class. So we'll start formally with classes tomorrow. I think tomorrow is also there is a class.
Yes, ma'am. There is a class.
We have a class tomorrow at 12 o'clock. And one more thing I would like to say you, that I'm very punctual about the classes. Please be on time. It is the same link that we are going to use for our classes. The link that I shared just now. It is the same link that we are going to use for the classes. And attendance I can take at any time during the class. I have a software with me installed in my Google Meet, wherein it allows me to take attendance at any time, and I can mark attendance at any time during the class, and I will not ask who is present and who is not present. I will simply mark the attendance in my app.
Excuse me, ma'am, is the attendance being marked based on the name we're using, the roll number, or the email?
Based on the emails.
Oh.
I'll be collecting, my app will be collecting the emails and the names that appear with me in the Meet. So please, I recommend you that you come with your original names, not something like Adventure Gameo or Luxurious
Illuminati
Flyer.
Fan Club.
I suggest please come with your name and roll number. Nothing, not like something not like Luxurious Flyer or Adventure Gameo. I will
Yes,
not
ma'am. I'll
mark.
change it in the next class.
Yes, please. That is why I am telling you for now. Today I will give attendance. Today is the bonus class, and I will give attendance to everyone for today's class. Not an issue. So wait, just wait, Saurabh. So I will not attend anyone with something like Verma ji or अगर किसी का ऐसा नाम होगा तो I will not mark you present. Today itself I am telling you, please enter the class with properly, like just Ojas Aryam 2K17 ECE 116. How come this 2K17? It should be 2K. Ojas Aryam, how come you are here? Who is Ojas Aryam? Ojas
And there
Aryam?
is no such student in our class, ma'am.
It's my brother's name. Ma'am, it's my brother's name. Hello?
Hello, Hanji? I cannot listen you, beta.
It's my brother's email ID. Next time I'll...
Please consider yours. I will not mark attendance like this. I won't get to know. I will not mark your attendance like that's okay, but I will not mark your attendance like this.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am,
Hanji,
ma'am, the email I'm currently using is my email, but it's not registered in DTU. Should I switch
that
to the other name?
no, please come through your email ID only. जो आपने अपना जिस email ID से DTU में register किया है.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
ठीक है, I have all the see DTU को भी पता है पहले दिन टीचर कैसे क्लास लेगा. टीचर को क्लास लेने के लिए आपको इनविटेशन आया है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So how the teacher has sent you mails? She has sent you mails through the emails DTU has provided to them. So I have the contact numbers and the email IDs of all of you and your parents. मेरे पास आप सबके पेरेंट्स के फोन नंबर्स, आपके ईमेल आईडीज और आपके फोन नंबर्स हैं, आपके लैंडलाइन नंबर्स हैं मेरे पास. So you be careful in the class or I can call anyone's parent. आप ये मत सोचिएगा कि आप कॉलेज से आए हैं तो आप कुछ भी कर सकते हैं, नहीं. बी सिंसियर, स्कूल से आए हैं तो आप बी लाइक दैट for some time at least, learn and then you may grow.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Hanji,
Ma'am, we will be getting our personal email IDs also, na, from DTU.
yes you will be getting, and that is the easiest thing to मतलब उसके साथ वर्क करना बहुत आसान हो जाता है. बट जब तक वो नहीं मिलता है तब तक हमें इन्हीं ईमेल आईडी से अपना काम चलाना पड़ेगा. And
Yes,
that
ma'am.
is what I am saying. Please do not keep names like Adventure Gameo and Vermaji and Ojas Aryan and all that.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Thank you, ma'am.
So from next time onwards, come with your proper email IDs. And I am very strict about classes. I would not entertain anything like ma'am last में हमारे attendance complete कर दो, ये है वो है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं होगा. You can ask your seniors. I think last time भी मैंने कुछ electrical engineering के बच्चों को शायद पढ़ाया था. I'm not sure. I don't remember the batch which I took last time, but you can ask your seniors. I'm pretty serious about this. I don't entertain anything like that. अगर आप क्लास में लेट आ रहे हैं तो I will deny you admission in the class. So we were doing the syllabus. So we will start with infinite series from tomorrow onwards. We will see what are series, what are sequences, how do we test the convergence of a series. Then we are going to do the differential and the integral calculus for single variable. We are going to see some properties of very interesting curves. Then we are going to see the calculus of several variables, partial calculus of differentiation of 2 or 3 variables. We are going to see the partial differentiation, Euler's theorem, maxima minima for multiple variables. मतलब अगर multiple variables हो तो maxima minima कैसे find out करते हैं, the very important theorem of Taylor's theorem, Lagrange's method and all these things. Then we are going to do multiple integrals. Multiple integrals में we are going to see how we integrate when we have multiple variables. Then we are going to see the vector differential calculus when we have a vector of variables. Then how we are going to differentiate, and when we have a vector of variables, then how we are going to integrate. So this entire semester is about calculus, that is differentiation and integration of single variable, multiple variables and vectors. This entire syllabus is about that. Anything that you want to ask me about the assessment or about the syllabus or about the class protocol, anything that you want to ask for?
Ma'am.
Hanji?
Ma'am, can you please repeat how the assessment will take place, because I was not able to see the screen.
I didn't show you the screen regarding that. I just said आपको शायद orientation में भी clear किया होगा
But
that there are going to be 3 components for your
Yes, ma'am.
assessment: CWS, MTE, that is the midterm evaluation, and the end term evaluation. CWS will be composed of your 6 assignments and 3 class tests. ठीक है? Midterm assessment has to be finalized how the midterm assessment is going to happen for MA 101. So I will let you know as we discuss in the department. So I will let you know how the assessment for midterm evaluation going to happen. For
Excuse
the
me, ma'am.
Anji,
Ma'am, can you explain the credits and CGPA relation if there's any?
I mean that must have been clarified in the orientation.
I didn't understand the relation between credits and CGPA if there was. I was there at the
I
orientation.
guess I would suggest you that you can discuss this with the concerned teacher only. जिन्होंने आपका orientation लिया था, I would suggest that you talk to that particular teacher only.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
So that would be nice enough. One very important thing.
Ma'am, is there any project or innovative
That's
work
what
also in
I'm
this course?
saying regarding the midterm evaluation. How the midterm evaluation is going to happen, I will let you know. So far, DTU has been practicing innovative project work in your midterm evaluation. But for a paper like MA 101, we have to decide how this MTE will take place. So for this, we will discuss in the department and let you know that how this MTE will happen. Okay. So far, did you practice innovative project or case study in midterm evaluation for other courses? And that is possible, but for maybe MA 101, it may not be possible. So in the department, we will discuss this and we will let you know. I hope that is not an issue. I will let you know well in advance. It is not that things will happen in a
Okay, ma'am.
haphazard manner. No, I will let you know well in advance. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
So one very important thing before I proceed, please all of you join the Google Classroom. There are only 52 students in the Google Classroom. I will show you.
लैपटॉप है निकलेंगे
Please mute yourself. Mute yourself. Class, mute yourself. So only 52 students have joined the Google Classroom. There are 75 students in the class. 23 students have not yet joined the Google Classroom. Aditya has not joined. Anirudh has not joined. Sorry. Anirudh has not joined. Aparna, RN Chigara, Atul Kumar, Gugutial, I don't know, Jatin Kamra, Lakraman, Vermaji, whosoever's email ID is this, please join the Google Classroom. These students have not joined the Google Classroom. All the assessment in the will be done through the Google Classroom only. All the assignments, all the quizzes, everything will be uploaded on the Google Classroom only. So please join the Google Classroom.
Ma'am, actually, I am Shreya Chatterjee, but my mother's name is Aparna Chatterjee. That's my DTU email.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Anji?
Ma'am, I messaged you last night, ma'am, about that. Ma'am, many people didn't have received any mail from you, so I said you to share the Google Classroom link, ma'am, so that I can just
So
put it
in
on the
that
WhatsApp.
case, you can use this code to join the Google Classroom. In case you have not received the invitation, you can use this code SCPJBP3. You can use this code to join the Google Classroom.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
You can note it from here, or I'll copy paste it in the Meet chat. So you please use this code to join the Google Classroom.
Ma'am, can you repeat the code?
I have pasted the code in your Meet chat. Meet chat पे मैंने वो paste कर दिया है. यहाँ से आप लेकर Google Classroom ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं. You have the time till today 2 o'clock to join the Google Classroom. आज 2 बजे तक आप ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं Google Classroom. उसके बाद I will disable the code and joining in link. उसके बाद आप ज्वाइन नहीं कर पाएंगे. So I will upload all the assignments here, which will come as an email to you. There will be a very strict guideline for submitting the assignments. If you are even a 1 minute late, you will be attended as a late submission by the Google. And here I will have all the students. And here you will have your grades for any assessment. Good. It seems some students have joined now itself. All of you, please join. So, anything that you want to ask now?
Ma'am.
Anji?
Ma'am, I have joined using another mail which was not registered with DTU. So will I have to join with the registered mail?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am?
What's your name? The one who joined with other email ID?
Ma'am, Udyan Tripathi.
So have you joined with some other name now?
No, ma'am, it's my name.
Ma'am, I have also
Ma'am,
joined.
Udyan Tripathi.
Ma'am, me too.
Ma'am, I have also joined with another email.
Ma'am, same here.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have registered.
I'm not able to hear you, beta. I'm not able to hear you.
Ma'am, I have registered in DTU with my brother's email ID. It's Ojas Aryan, that's roll number. What should I do now?
Okay. In that case, who is the CR of the class? Is it Saurabh Kumar Jha?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So all the communication in the class to me, all the communication from the class to me will be through the CR, first thing. Second thing is, as we are facing issues regarding joining, so what I will do is, Saurabh can collect the email IDs of all the students through which they want to join the Google Classroom. Saurabh, you will make a list of 75 students and send me the corresponding email IDs of the students through which they want to join. I will introduce those. I don't want 80 students in my class.
Okay.
5 वो email IDs है जिनके थ्रू वो ज्वाइन करना चाहते हैं और 5 उनकी जो DTU ने मुझे दिए हैं. So that is not going to happen. I will keep only 75 students in my class.
Okay.
मैम
Yes.
मैम मैंने भी दूसरी आईडी से ज्वाइन किया.
क्या नाम है आपका?
मैम नाम अंकुश कुमार सागर. मैम रजिस्टर्ड ईमेल आईडी दूसरी है. यस मैम.
चलिए कोई बात नहीं, ठीक है.
Ma'am, how can we contact the Jia since because I don't have his number?
Which cell?
Ma'am, how can we contact the Jia?
Who is CR?
It's CR.
CR is Saurabh Kumar Jha. Saurabh can type in your, just a minute. Saurabh can type in the contact number here in the Meet chat. I hope
Yes,
you
ma'am, I
all
did.
can collect his, all of you please collect his uh, contact number from here. And if you want to convey anything to me, you can send the message to Saurabh. Is that fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, it's fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anything that you want to ask?
No, ma'am.
So I
ma'am.
hope the assessment scheme, what? Okay. So I hope the assessment scheme, syllabus, we are going to have our classes through Google Meet, fine? And the students in the, and I will not allow any late entry. I will not allow you to enter after 9:05 or 5 minutes past the class is started. If the class is at 12, I will allow you till 12:05. If the class is at 9, I will allow you till 9:05. If the class is at 5, I will allow you till 5:05. I will not allow you to enter the class beyond given time. So please be on time. अभी तो मेरे पास अगर 9:30 बजे भी एंट्री के लिए रिक्वेस्ट आ रही है तो आई एम एडमिटिंग यू. Thereafter, I will not allow you to enter. Is that fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ankush, you want to say something? So yeah, Suryansh, you want to say something?
यस मैम ये पीडीएफ शेयर कर दो और मैम एक बार एंटम इवैल्यूएशन
कौन
का
सा
दोबारा
पीडीएफ शेयर
बता
कर
दो
दूं
मेरे
बेटा?
नेट में कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो रही थी उस टाइम.
कौन सा पीडीएफ शेयर कर दूं?
मैम जो मैथ्स का सिलेबस आपने सारा दिखाया
बेटा,
था.
you can find that syllabus on your TTU website. You just search for Google Pay. Just search for TTU MC syllabus. DTU मैथमेटिक्स एंड कंप्यूटिंग सिलेबस या कोई भी आप सिलेबस सर्च करेंगे तो उसमें आपको MA 101 का कंटेंट मिल जाएगा. It is available on the DTU website. आप यहाँ से चेक कर सकते हैं. Or I'll do the. You can use this link.
ओके थैंक यू मैम.
Okay. Anything else that you want to ask?
मैम एंटम इवैल्यूएशन एक बार दोबारा बता दो.
एंटम इवैल्यूएशन के लिए बेटा as per the DTU guidelines it will be आपके 3 क्लास मंथली टेस्ट होंगे. 3 क्लास मंथली टेस्ट का मतलब है कि एक सेकेंड रुकिए मैं आपको बता देती हूँ. DTU yeah. Is my screen visible to you all?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes,
your
ma'am.
teaching started on 7th of December. ठीक है? In this entire up to 26th of March. From today to 26th of March, I can take 2 surprise tests on any working day without prior information to the students. Without any prior information, I can simply take your surprise test. And that surprise test is going to be part of your end term evaluation. Then, then your class monthly test 1 is going to happen. Class monthly test 1 is going to happen with prior information to all the students between 4th January to 15th January. ठीक है? Then your class monthly test 2 is going to happen between 15th February to 26th February with prior information to you all. And the class monthly test 3 is going to happen in the last week of your this semester. Fine? Is it okay now? So out of 3 class
Yes, ma'am.
tests, we are going
Yes, ma'am.
out of 3 class tests, we are going to consider your 2 best class tests. ठीक है? 3 में से आपके 2 क्लास टेस्ट बेस्ट क्लास टेस्ट कंसिडर किए जाएंगे और आपका सरप्राइज टेस्ट में से 2 सरप्राइज टेस्ट में से एक बेस्ट सरप्राइज टेस्ट कंसिडर किया जाएगा. ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is the calendar. This is the academic calendar for you. This is also available on the DTU website. As you can see here, this is also available on the DTU website. How your MTE is going to be evaluated, that I will let you know. Even I am not confident about how your MTE is going to be evaluated, that I will let you know.
Okay, ma'am.
Akshat Saini, you want to ask anything? Okay. Anyone else who wants to ask anything?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am, we are good, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. So we can start with the class from next time onwards. Okay, we will start formally the lectures tomorrow onwards. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
So I'm leaving the class now. You can leave the class.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.